So, you want to learn Biblical Greek alphabet and the way the letters were pronounced. You are watching the right video because this is exactly what we're going to do. There are two major schools of pronunciation. The first one is the modern Greek pronunciation and another one is the Erasmian school of pronunciation. In this video I'm going to present you the Erasmian pronunciation of the Koine Greek. In short, if you learn it, you will understand other people and other people will understand you. So let's begin. And the first letter of the Greek alphabet is the letter alpha. It gives us a sound A, as in the word father. The second letter in the Greek alphabet is beta. It gives us a sound B, as in the word bat. The third letter in the Greek alphabet is gamma, and gamma gives us a hard sound G, as in the word get or God. It doesn't give us a soft sound G, as in the word gem. There is a little nuance we need to learn about gammas. When two gammas stand together, it is unnatural and difficult for us to pronounce them as gg. Greeks came with a solution to pronounce the first gamma as n. For example, in this word we have two gammas standing together. It is incorrect for us to pronounce it as aggelos. We pronounce it as angelos, from which we have the English word angel. What's true about two gammas standing together is also true about three other letters, kappa, he, and xi. If any of these letters follow gamma, this first gamma is pronounced as n. For example, in this word, ankara, from which we have the English word anchor. The next letter in the Greek alphabet is delta, and delta gives us a sound D, as in the word dog. The next letter is epsilon. Epsilon gives us a sound E, as in the word get. The next letter is zeta. It gives us a sound Z, as in the word zero. The next letter is eta. It gives us a long sound E. It is the same sound as of the letter epsilon, E, but it is a little bit longer, as in the word obey. The next letter is theta, and it gives us a sound T, as in the word top. Some may prefer to pronounce it as th, as in the word theology, but I prefer T. Letter iota gives us a variety of sounds. It can be a short E, as in the word hit. It can be a long E, as in the word machine, and it also gives us a sound y, as in the word yellow, sound y. Usually when iota appears in diphthongs, and we're going to talk about them in a minute, it gives us a sound y. Remember that. The next letter is kappa, and kappa gives us a sound k, as in the word keep. Lambda gives us a sound L, as in the word lamp. Letter mu gives us a sound M, as in the word mouse. The next letter is nu. It gives us a sound N, as in the word new. Letter xi gives us a sound x, as in the word X. This is omicron. It gives us a sound O. It doesn't give us a sound O, as we like to pronounce it in English. No. It gives us a sound O, as in the word top. The next letter is P, and it gives us a sound P, as in the word put. The next letter can be a little bit confusing, as it looks exactly as the English letter P, but it is the letter Ro, and it gives us a sound R, as in the word rod. So remember, it is not P, it is the letter Ro. The next letter is sigma, and it gives us a sound S, as in the word sit. A little nuance about sigma. If sigma is the last letter in the word, it is called stigma, and it is written a little bit different, but it still gives the sound S. A good example of this is the word seismos. The next letter is tau, and it gives us a sound t, as in the word talk. It gives us the same sound as the letter theta, sound t. Some follow the modern Greek and distinguish the pronunciation of theta and tau, but many scholars give them the same sound, the sound t. I support this view, and throughout this course I'll give both letters one sound, t. The next letter is upsilon. It gives us two sounds. It can be u, as in the word university. It also can be u, as in the word book. Next letter is phi. It gives us a sound f, as in the word phone. Letter he gives us a sound h, as in the word happy or here. The next letter is psi. It gives us a sound ps, as in the word lips. And the last letter in the Greek alphabet is omega. It gives us a long sound o, as in the word note. This video which you just watched is actually a part of my video course of the Biblical Greek, where I teach in a very simple way so anyone can learn and understand Koine Greek. And if you follow this link, you will be able to watch and enjoy the first lesson of this video course. So just type these words in your browser, scroll down, and just click this button, send me the first video. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other good videos I'm going to produce. Learn Greek, love God, all the best.